Hey friends, today we are going to work on some prefixes. We are going to focus more specifically on the prefixes im and in. You might have noticed if you've taken your spelling pretest that some of these may be related to your spelling words. All right, what is a prefix anyway? That's a question I want you to be thinking about. Our learning goal for today says I can decode and read words with the prefixes im and in. Think you know what a prefix is? All right, so what is it? If you said that a prefix is a word part that is added to the beginning of a base word, you were right. Or if you said it is a few letters or a word part or a piece of a word that's added to the beginning of a root word, you were correct. So for example, I have the word imperfect. Here, my base word or my root word is the word perfect. My prefix is the word im. When I add im to the word perfect, it changes the meaning. Let's look on the next slide and see what I mean. The words im and in, or the word parts im and in, both equal not. So they both mean not. So if I add im to the front of the word perfect, how do you think that changes the word? Right. If you said it meant not perfect, then you were absolutely correct. Ready to practice with a couple more? Here we go. All right, I'm going to leave this little poster up here for us to review and look at as we review some of these words. Let's look at the word incorrect. What does the word incorrect mean when I add the prefix in? Yes, it means not correct. Just because I put in front of the word correct, now it means the opposite, not correct. Impolite. Have you ever heard of an adult tell you, don't say that, that's impolite? What are they telling you that means? That means that something you have done or said is not polite. The prefix im, just like the prefix in, also means not. Ready to have some practice? All right, friends, there are 8 words here. With you and your learning guides, I would like you to discuss what these other 7 words mean with the prefix in and im added to the front of the word. I've done the first example for you. The first one is immature. So we know that if you are mature, it means that you are above your age, or you can handle some things pretty well, right? But if you are immature, it means that you are not mature or you are not acting your age, right? All right, so what I would like you to do is pause this video and take a few minutes to discuss the meaning of these 7 words with your learning guide. When you think you are ready, go ahead and hit play and come back to check your work. Ready? Let's check your work. How did you do? Go ahead and take a look at all of these meanings of the words with the prefixes in and im. All of them change these root words to mean not. We have invisible, inactive, impatient, improper, impossible, inconsiderate, and unequal. When I add those prefixes to all of those words, they all mean not. You guys have done a great job today working with the prefixes im and in.